the hell are you?
I'm the justice you can't run from. I have something for you. It's Laurel's Black Canary costume. Yeah, I thought you could use it here, but you know, maybe EARTH-2 needs a Black Canary. You are still planning on being good, right? I'm planning to try, yeah. Good. I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it. I've seen you before. The old Green Arrow documentary. You're a friend of your parents. You're lucky we got here when we did. Dinah sent you to watch my back. It's what canaries do. Give this to Felicity. You look so much like her. And you may not be a canary, and you still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. And don't screw it up.